Alright guys, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So quickly guys, today we're going to learn how to fix this suit sleeve. I'm actually working on this suit and I felt why not we do it together. Why not me let you see how I'm going to fix this sleeve. Alright, so if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so that you get more amazing contents like this from me. And also guys, this channel right here is my new channel where I am teaching how you can start and grow YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. It's my new channel. Please subscribe. I really appreciate if you can help me get 100,000 subscribers by simply subscribing. Thank you so much. So you can see I'm going to take you through this fixing of this sleeve from the beginning to the end without wasting time guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so watch carefully how I'm going to be doing this. Okay, so I've finished joining my sleeve. The next thing now is to attach it to my suit, and you can see this here. I've run a stitch. It's a basting stitch. I've run it on the edges of the sleeve. I've run the stitch. That's what I'm showing you right there. So I'm going to actually pull the thread, okay, to gather the sleeve. Just watch what I'm doing, so as to give it that puff effect on the shoulder, on the top part. Watch carefully guys, this is actually very simple. Just watch and you will get everything I'm doing here. So you can see it's looking now guys, you can see it's looking, you can see it, very simple and straightforward. So watch carefully where I am going to attach this sleeve. You can see this side, okay, this side line here. Watch carefully, let me adjust the camera. You can see this side line here, okay. I'm going to move in by what, 1 inch. I normally move in by half an inch, but I've just discovered that 1 inch gives me a better positioning of my sleeve. Okay, so alright, so watch carefully. This is the button, alright, place. So when you're fixing sleeve, the button place faces the back, alright. That's what I'm showing you there. You can see this is the front line, okay, of the sleeve. I'm going to open it and it's going to be at the place where I made a 1 inch mark. This is how I'm going to join it. So just pay close attention and guys, you get everything I'm doing here is very simple. So I'm going to turn it over now. We need to confirm, okay, that the sleeve circumference and the armhole is the same. So I'm going to check, see whether I'm checking it, so that I'll be sure that at the end of stitching this sleeve I won't be having excess. Alright, you can see. So I'm sure now that there won't be any excess when I'm done stitching. So I'm going to start now carefully. I'll turn it over, stitch on top, the sleeve is under. So watch carefully how I'm going to do this stitching. Guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, I will appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, right? Thank you guys. And like I said before, this is my new channel. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel and help me get 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. So just pay close attention to how I'm stitching it. It's a top stitch, the sleeve is under. You can see this is the sleeve here. I'm just making sure that the gathers, I pull the thread, okay, to gather the sleeve, especially at the top position, at the top part. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to ensure that the gathers are well arranged, so I won't have some pinchings here and there when I'm done. So you can see almost coming to an end. Guys, if you want to learn how to make a suit, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, alright, and I'll add you to my suit class. It's very simple and very easy to understand, okay? Or you can let me know in the comment section that you want to join my suit class, and I'll add you up to my suit class. You can see the sleeve now. You can see very simple and straightforward. Look at it behind. You can look at this one I joined before. You can see it's very simple, easy and straightforward. So guys, I'm going to show you something. You know, there's a way suit sleeve is supposed to look like, okay, at the joining, at the stitch line. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve that, but before then, let's place the lining in place. Let's hook it in place. So I'm going to watch how I'm going to turn this. Please don't get lost here. Watch how I'm turning. Let me do it again. Watch how I'm turning it. I believe you got that. Very simple and straightforward, because it's an inside sewing I'm doing at this point. So I'm going to turn the sleeve over. Just watch carefully. Watch carefully how I'm going to do the next. Now guys, this is the last part and the not so most important, but also a very key part to take note of what I'm about to do now. So please watch and carefully observe. You see my breast pad here. This is a very soft breast pad I'm holding there. Okay, I'll show you what I did with it. So watch carefully how I'm going to arrange this lining on the sleeve. Can you see how I'm turning it out? Watch carefully how I turned it out, so that you don't make a mistake. So I'm going to stitch it now. Just watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it. Now, like I said, this soft breast pad here, you can see I've cut it to be a wideness of 1 inch. This other one is 2 inches. So watch it carefully how I'm going to use the both of them. I'll fold this one and stitch it first. Just watch carefully guys, and you'll get what I'm doing. Just observe closely. So my stitch here, I am actually stitching on this 1 inch wide breast pad, but it's on the previous seam line. Like I'm showing you there, I'm stitching on the previous seam line. I'm stitching on the previous seam line. You can see that seam line there. I'm stitching on it. So I'm going to bring in this 2 inches wide breast pad. Now the aim of doing this is to give the sleeve shape at the shoulder area, where the sleeve is joining together with the shoulder. Once I'm done, I'll compare this with the one I'm yet to fix this. and you will see the difference clearly yourself. So just watch closely. Guys, subscribe if I hit subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. So I want to be sure that I'm not going to have excess of lining when I'm done joining. So that's why I'm checking while I stitch. I'll cut the excess of that. I don't need to be excess. So I'm going to trim this off here. Just watch carefully. Then I'll turn the lining over. Guys, if you want to join my suit class, let me know in the comment section. I will add you up to my suit class. So let's close this allowance here. This opening here. Normally my suit, I do everything and close it at the sleeve area. That's why I close my suit. So we're almost done with this, guys. What's remaining is just want to show you. What's remaining is for me to show you the difference between this sleeve that I've done this and the other one that is yet to be finished like this. You can see how the sleeve is looking now. Let me show you so that you see the difference. This is the one I'm yet to stitch that breast pad on it. You can see how this one is taking shape, shooting out very well. You can see this. You can see this. Whereas this one that I'm yet to fix, you can see the difference. See how this one I fixed, look how it's looking. Look how this other one that I'm yet to attach the breast part is looking flattened. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching.